Welcome to UT's online testing platform, UT Udan. In this video, we will guide you through the process of checking your test performance reports. Log into Student Portal, click Test Performance menu. The tabular report and the graphical report will be displayed. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Visit our website www.universaltutorials.in. On the top right corner, click the Login button. Here, choose the Student Login option. Enter your user ID and password to access the student portal shared with you via email. Once logged in, you will land on your student dashboard. Click on the menu icon from the top left corner. Choose the Test Performance menu. The test performance page will open. Use the from date and to date filters to select the desired period and click on Search. You will see two types of reports, the tabular and the graphical. Let us see them in detail. This is a sample of a tabular report. It presents detailed test data. Here we can see the attempt date, the exam ID, attendance, maximum marks of the test, marks obtained by the student, percentage, percentage class high, percentage class average, and percentage class low. All the information is displayed subject-wise. We also see the total number of tests taken by the students, the maximum marks of the test, the maximum marks obtained, and the percentage of the tests that are attempted. This is a sample of a graphical report. It shows your performance trends visually. It displays subject-wise, test-wise performance through a line graph and then overall performance of a student. Please note, you will receive an SMS and email notification as soon as your paper is evaluated. Performance reports are emailed to your registered ID every month. Your performance report is always accessible on the student portal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us using the phone number or email displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching.